Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about something that me and Reese are super excited about. But me and Reese actually purchased our new home. Yes, baby Bean is right here in front of me, so she's like smiling. So, but yeah, we're super excited. We purchased a home actually about 3 or 4 months ago, but we're just now able to like really start to talk about it. We didn't really want to say anything. One, because we purchased it a week before I gave birth to Bean. Yes. And two, just because we really didn't have any content to show you guys. So I figured this would be our first video to announce that we have actually purchased a home and to kind of give you guys a walkthrough before we actually go into the videos that we do of doing the house. So if you guys are interested in seeing what the house looks like and what house we chose, then just keep watching this video.
Smile, Jamie. It's your new place. Look at the bugs. So this is just a little tour of what the house looks like before. So I bought this about a week ago. The only things that we really did so far was rip out some of the carpeting. Still got plenty of carpet to rip out. This space is gonna end up being office / YouTube space for Jamie. This will be our dining room. That ugly ass chandelier has definitely gotta go. It's the kitchen. Kitchen needs a ton of work. There were these spindle rails that were here before. Ripped those out. Definitely open up the space some. So I gotta sand that down. Of course, this is all gonna get painted. These cabinets are actually still really good. They are solid wood, so probably gonna end up actually keeping them. That fridge has definitely got to go. It looks scary. I would open it, but I don't want to freak people out. Here is the wood paneling family room. Just some more light, I guess, to see. So we definitely need an overhead light. The fan does not have a light attached, so we're definitely gonna have to add that in. Probably want to do some recessed lighting in there as well. This will be the kids' bathroom. Yeah, that tile's gotta go. So this is probably gonna end up being a full gut. Look at this. Ugh. Started ripping out the carpet in here. I gotta finish that up. What the carpet looked like was this ugly, red, disgusting carpet. And then our tiny bathroom will be this. So we've got a lot to figure out as far as getting this redone and trying to make the most out of this space. But it'll be fun. It'll be fun. So, and then this is gonna be the little man's room. And the carpet in here, as you can see, is also got to get removed. Carpet everywhere is getting removed. And then her closet. A decent amount of space. bones are good. It's just outdated as hell. We know we have some subflooring stuff that we got to take care of as well too. But lots and lots of paint everywhere. Actually, everything is getting painted over as well as flooring. So this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be a journey for us, and we'll be updating as we go through it on YouTube. So fun stuff. Hope you enjoy the content.
Well guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Me and Reese are super excited about this journey, and we're going to be posting a lot more DIY videos for you guys on what we plan on doing to the house. So if you guys are interested in being a part of our journey, definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.